Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we're going to meet this Gluey. This is a hot glue pen from Bosch. We can see we've got a Gold Award 2018, 3 years warranty. Included at the box we can see what we're going to find out together. Hot glue pen, some of the applications that you can use this hot glue pen. Wood, stone, glass, plastic, cardboard, paper, for decoration and more and more. So many options to make the ordinary extraordinary. Repair, create, decorate. Nice. Bosch original, we can see we've got to seal it. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside and how we are going to work with that. Nice case, nice unboxing experience. Ooh, it's quite huge. Okay. Oh, we've got a huge fat manual. Well, stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. At the box we're gonna find out 7 color glue sticks and 7 glitter glow sticks and another 8 transparent glue sticks. 2 rechargeable batteries 2A.
Capacity is 2.1 ampere hours, running time is up to 60 glue sticks.
And of course we've got a USB charger with the USB cable type A to micro USB. Before using this glue stick pen, we are going to charge the batteries. Cable is about 1 meter. And the batteries is water, recharge, accu ready to use. And there are power 2100 milliamps. Input, you need to find 5-volt adapter, or you can connect it to your laptop or your PC or to a power bank. And there we've got a green light, that means it's charging. Now let's leave it until it will charge. Nothing else to the box. And there it is. We've got an on-off switch. Here we're going to install the 2 batteries. LED ring when it's ready to use. The extraction for the hot glue stick.
Stick diameter is 7 mm and length 20 mm.
To use it very easy, just pull that inside and then you can use it. You can insert 2 You can use a colored and glitter glue for personal touches, and you can enjoy a vibrant selection of unique glue effects. And we've got endless possibilities to bring creativity to your life. Christmas is coming and you can make your own Christmas decoration. And you can make some Christmas cards and send them to your loved ones. You can have some fun with your family and play with this hot glue pen. I'm sure you will find your own creativity and use it. And we can see it's charging, is flashing when it's charging. When it will finish, it will stay solid on the green light. Now let's install the 2A rechargeable batteries. They are environmentally friendly. Installing is very easy, as you can see. Just press and hold and will turn on the green light. It's flashing. Fast heat up time for only 1 minute. The quick start feature allows glue to heat up quickly in only 1 minute. Start projects quickly with the innovative fast heating PTC element. Feels very nice to my hand. It's like a pen, obviously, as you can see.
And the gluing temperature is 150 Celsius.
Oh, it's quite hot already, yeah. As you can see, it is a solid green, that means it's ready. Now I think it's time to build a home. Yep, why not? Let's be a creativity. We've got some woods here. I'm going to connect this together. Now let's see how it works. Oh, yeah! It's working very fast. I'm just touching it so soft and the glue is coming so easy out. Wow. Nice. And now we need to connect that. Well, I can say we've got a very precise work. You can see the glue is coming with a very good precision. And then if you want, you can start to decorate. We've got a glitter here, glue stick glitter. But before starting, we need to take out the transparent glue that we have inside. And let's try for a Christmas decoration to glue back again this decoration. Very easy, a little bit of glue here. The applications are endless. Let your imagination come out. Nice. Back again as a new. Of course, you can use it into this wood. Let's insert one of the glitter. We are going to decorate this home. To take out the transparent. Very easy. You can glue it. leave it for 10-20 seconds. Or this cardboard. Starting coming out. Nice. The applications are endless. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right material to use that. Let's start the decoration. Nice. Just playing. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right decoration. Do that I designed. Nice home. Home to stay and live. And we've got this letter gluey. Let's decorate it. Christmas is coming, and I think this is a very good, great present for your loved ones. Nice. Gluey. And let's come back to the wood. We can see it's very strong now. Yeah, nice job. And of course, on the paper, you can see it's glued very well. No problem. Endless application for materials. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right one for you to choose, and just press and turn it off. Well guys, what do you think? It is a nice present, it is a nice tool to have it with you, to be a creativity in your free time, to play with this gluey pen stick. Decorative, repairs, I'm sure you will find out the right one to use it. You can achieve excellent results on many creative arts and craft projects. Gluey, it's opened the door to endless possibilities to bring creativity to your life. It's a compact and convenient design makes gluing fun. Rechargeable batteries inside, you can recharge them all the time. You can have a spare batteries and use them again. Ergonomic shape also provides an added level of comfort and enjoyable grip while working. You have already seen that. It's very easy, comfortable to use it. Gluing, attaching or repairing items quickly. The glue pen offers cordless freedom with environmentally friendly rechargeable 2A batteries. Well guys, if you're interested to buy something like that, it cost about, for me, 27 euros. I purchased it. It was a good price, I can say. There's a variety of colors that you can choose. Smoky gray, evergreen. This is the marshmallow, cupcake pink, and the lagoon blue. Oh yeah. I prefer the marshmallow or the evergreen and the smoky green. It is more closer to the BOSCH brand. Well, it is your choice what you want. I'm sure every color it will do the same job. And we've got, of course, an anti-drop technology. As we are going to leave it down, it will not fall the glue out. Nice. The glue sticks, of course, they've got the 7 millimeters of thickness, and the diameter is 2 centimeters, 20 millimeters. Well, if you want, you can buy them as they are cutted, or you can buy it in a big glue sticks, and then you can cut it by yourself. It is 2 centimeters the length that you need to cut and fit it here to the pen. Something that I would like to have to this glue pen stick, it is plug and charge. Not every time to take out the batteries and charge them again. Of course, I will see how long they will last as I'm using this pen, and we will see if you need oftenly to charge the batteries. Well guys, that was all about. I hope you have enjoyed this very creativity video. If you like it, well, just buy it and enjoy it into your free time that you've got. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.